lighting up of the lamp we have Honorable CEO Sir, Shri S.N. Garg, esteemed Director Sir, Professor Dr. Sanjay Kumar, respected Director Coordination, Shri Vijay Veer Sir and Professor A.K. Mitra Sir, distinguished Senior Deputy Director, Shri Dilip Singh Sir, Revered Principal Ma'am, Professor Dr. Yamini Ma'am, the lamp lighting ceremony will be accompanied by a melodious song by Team Suranjali.
स्वागतम स्वागतम मन की वीणा से गुंजित ध्वनि मंगलम स्वागतम 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 देव की भांति पूजन करें आज हम देव की भांति पूजन करें आज हम स्वागतम 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 देव की भांति पूजन करें आज हम स्वागतम 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 करते हैं मिल के अर्पित सुमन आज हम करते हैं मिल के अर्पित सुमन आज हम स्वागतम 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 करते हैं मिल के अर्पित सुमन आज हम स्वागतम 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 स्वागतम
Thank you everyone. Good morning and a warm welcome to all the respected dignitaries, all the HODs, the faculty members, our young achievers and their parents. We are delighted to have you all with us.
Today, I, Vishali,
And I, Abhishek,
take privilege to welcome you all to the 4th Founders Day of Dr. Akhilesh Das Gupta Institute of Technology and Management.
moving on, our much respected former chairman sir, Dr. Akhilesh Das Gupta, was son of a freedom fighter, Sri Babu Banarasi Das ji. Respected Dr. Akhilesh Das Gupta sir was an educationist, a professor, an Indian politician and a philanthropist. Being a religious soul and a devotee, he laid the foundation of Sri Siddhi Ganesh Temple in 2010.
Displaying great entrepreneurial spirit, he founded the Babu Banarsi Das Group of Institutions in 1998, which now has more than 1 lakh alumni. Being a truly charismatic leader, he was even a member of the Rajya Sabha for 3 times. He being equally enthusiastic towards sports as towards academics, also founded the Premier Badminton League. He was the president of Badminton Association of India, chairman of UP Badminton Association, and also was the president of UP Olympic Association and vice president of Badminton Asia Federation.
And amongst such a great list of achievements, let's not forget that he was also a loving father and a caring husband. And now, we have a short video of Dr. Akhilesh Das Gupta sir.
खुशी है लोगों के दामन में, पर एक हंसी के लिए
Akhilesh Das Gupta sir. Now moving on. Leadership is the capacity to transform vision into reality. And one such leader is our Honorable Chairperson Ma'am, Mrs. Alka Das Gupta. So now, to transform our vision, we have a message from our Honorable Chairperson Ma'am.
We are gathered here to celebrate Founders Day, a day aimed towards honoring the birthday of a dear founder, Dr. Akhilesh Das Gupta. I believe this is the most important day for our group, as it provides us with an opportunity to not only remember our beloved founder, but also remember his principles and values of life, society and humanity. He has shown us a path which on every step consists of learning something new, something beautiful, something that bridges the gap between us and our dreams. Moreover, he encouraged us to grow as human beings, to be kinder and loving towards one another, and most importantly, to honor our planet by respecting nature. Every year on this day, we introspect and ask, are we moving on the right path? I can proudly say the answer is yes. We as a group should celebrate our achievements, which would not have been possible without the consistent and meaningful efforts of our faculty, DIs, HODs, Director and CEO. We have been successful in making APG-ITM a leading name in the country, but we still have a long way to go. And I have the utmost faith that one day we will not only be the #1 name in our country, but in the whole world. Today, an essential part of our celebration is the accomplishments of our alumni and students who have brought numerous laurels to our institute. I am proud to see our students exhibit such valuable skills and to win one of the many awards they will receive in their lives. I am sure they will achieve success in their respective field and also play an integral part in making our nation great. I congratulate all of you and wish you all the luck for your future endeavors. I am certain that each one of you will be a role model and a leading figure for whoever you interact with. Just like our esteemed founder, Dr. Akhilesh Das Gupta ji. I thank everyone present today, the teachers, staff, parents and our dear students for the immense amount of support, trust and love that you have put in our institution. I wish all of you the best of blessings, good health and a COVID-free year. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. That was very inspiring. A good leader takes people where they want to go. A great leader takes people where they don't necessarily want to go, but ought to be. With that being said, I request our esteemed CEO Sir, Shri S.N. Garg, to kindly come upon the stage and grace us with his wise words.
A warm welcome to all. I am extremely privileged to have opportunity to address at this important moment when we are celebrating our Founders Day on the great occasion. I express my love and gratitude to our founder. हिंदी में कहावत है, अकेला चना भार नहीं फूंक सकता। यही हमारी इंसानों की सोच भी है कि अकेला क्या कर सकता है, पर देखो जरा सूरज को, वह अकेला ही तो चमकता है। ये पंक्तियां हमारे फाउंडर पर डॉक्टर अखिलेश दास जी के व्यक्तित्व पर सही उतरती है। उन्होंने पसीने की स्याही से अपने इरादों को लिखा है। ऐसे व्यक्तित्व के पन्ने कभी पूरे नहीं हुआ करते। ऐसे व्यक्तित्व जिनमें अकेले चलने की हौसले होते हैं, ऐसे व्यक्तित्व के पीछे काफिले भी होते हैं। ये निरंतर संघर्ष प्रेमी होते हैं। ऐसे व्यक्तित्व की उतनी ही शानदार जीत होती है। ये सभी पंक्तियां उन पर सच्ची उतरती हैं। उनका सिद्धांत था डोंट रन फ्रॉम द चैलेंजेस, इंस्टेड रन टुवर्ड्स इट। उनका एनर्जी लेवल बहुत ऊंचा था और वह उन व्यक्तियों में से थे who makes the things to happen। आज हम ADGI टीम जिससे हम सब जुड़े हुए हैं उसी की टीम। उनका एक सपना था कि देश में टेक्निकल व प्रोफेशनल शिक्षा की कमी है, उसे दूर किया जाए और वह क्वालिटी एजुकेशन दी जाए। आज AGTN के अलावा BBD ग्रुप टेक्निकल व प्रोफेशनल एजुकेशन देने में नंबर 1 है। अपने जीवन काल में उन्होंने कई बुलंदियों को छुआ है। वो बैडमिंटन एसोसिएशन ऑफ इंडिया के प्रेसिडेंट रहे। वह एक लंबे समय तक राज्यसभा के सदस्य भी रहे। वे शिक्षा प्रेमी थे। शिक्षा प्रेमी के साथ साथ वो स्पोर्ट्स प्रेमी भी थे। टुडे वी सल्यूट हिम फॉर हिज लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज लाइक सच। उनकी इंस्पायरेशन स्पीच जो हम सबके लिए एक संदेश है, इस मौके पर दोहराना चाहूँगा। My idea of society is a river of education and a storm of success, and my vision of life is an explosion of the learning and a tide of humanity। आज फाउंडर डे पर ADGIM में बेवाऊ छात्रों को सम्मानित भी किया जाएगा जिन्होंने हमारी संस्था व माता पिता का नाम आर्ट यूनिवर्सिटी में प्रथम स्थान प्राप्त करके किया है। उनको सबको बधाई है और इस परंपरा को बनाए रखने के लिए हम आशा करते हैं। ऐसे व्यक्तित्व बताने की ऐसे व्यक्तित्व के बारे में या उनके गुणों में बताने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है। उनकी उपलब्धियां ही खुद बेखुद बयां कर देती हैं। वे प्राय कहा करते थे, इफ यू वांट फास्ट वॉक लो, इफ यू वांट वॉक फार वॉक टुगेदर। हम सब मिलकर उनके अपने फाउंडर के संदेश को आगे बढ़ाएं और उनका अतिरिक्त हमारे सबके लिए मार्गदर्शक के रूप में प्रेरणा स्रोत है और रहेगा। इन सबको धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much, sir, for all the words of wisdom. Can we have a round of applause for our CEO, sir? What lies behind us and what lies before us are tiny matters compared to what lies among us. A man of excellence and a presence that truly inspires us all. We now invite our Honorable Director, sir, Professor Dr. Sanjay Kumar, to please come up on the stage and shower us with his inspiring words.
Good morning all. I welcome you all to this wonderful moment, the Founders Day 2021, in the loving memory of our beloved, honorable, highly respected Founder Chairman Sir Dr. Akhilesh Das Gupta ji at ADGI New Delhi on 31st March 2021. You are truly an inspiring soul and guiding spirit to us, sir. I welcome all valuable dignitaries of ADGIM and BBD Group, all the heads, DIs, faculty, staff and their students. Special welcome to worthy BBD awardees and Dr. Akhilesh Das Gupta, Student of the Year Award, and their respective parents. I take the privilege to extend my heartfelt gratitude to Honorable Chairperson Ma'am, Mrs. Alka Das Gupta ji, our Honorable President Sir, Shri Viras Sagar Das ji, Honorable Vice President Ma'am, Ms. Sonakshi Das Gupta ji, for your valuable support and valuable guidance all the time. Education has been all the time the soul of society. Dr. Akhilesh Das Gupta ji, being a highly visionary person, had a vision to produce globally competent and highly socially responsible technocrats and entrepreneurs to meet the challenges of 21st century. Towards this, we are striving for so hard and consistently to come up to the expectation and meet the vision. Thank you so much for giving us so much of blessings and a visionary outcome. So So we had been working consistently on teaching learning process. We had been doing the improvements in that, and because of that, we have been able to have 25 gold medals till date from the inception of the college. I would like to have a big round of applause. Please join hands together to have a big round of applause, and that is all because of all of us, the faculty, the students, of course, blessings of Chairman Sir, Founder Chairman Sir, and all the management dignitaries, Chairperson Ma'am, President Sir, and Vice President Ma'am. Thank you so much for being there all the time, standing behind, showing your guidance and blessings. And we understand that there are four dimensions of teaching learning process that are conceptual, industrial, exam oriented, and behavioral. We are working on all four dimensions truly. And because of that, as far as this industrial thing is concerned, I just want to mention over here that we have got till date 3 SIS, that is Smart India Hackathon Awards from the ministry, and that is really a national level achievement in the last 2 consecutive years from the conceptualization of this SIH. Thank you so much, faculty, staff, and my students. We have been all the time, putting efforts towards counseling and mentoring. We are serious about these 2 things. We have created audiovisual rooms and extensively using ICT. FDPs, workshop, and all that have been, regular thing in our institution for the sake of skill enhancement in the faculty as well as the students. Wonderful. We have been wonderfully achieving laurels in case of cultural as well as sports. This is really glad to mention over here that we had best athlete, male and female, both last year in the sports meet of GG Saipu Sports Meet annual month. Big round of applause for all the students. And at the same time, an increasing trend has been seen in cultural activities also, and we had been exemplary performer at Anu Gunj. Big round of applause for them. This is really nice. I'm highly glad to mention over here for the first time, giving too much importance to the research, we are organizing in the May month 2021 3 international conference in the same month, and that is the E-conference in nature, and these are going to be international, truly international, and the keynote speakers, they are from foreign universities, renowned professors. They are going to deliver their keynote and all that. They will be here. So again, we have got more than 300 research paper. I would request all of you to join your hands for this achievement. We have got more than 300 research paper in various national and international journals as well as conferences. And this trend is increasing year by year. Giving more importance to research, we have been really consistent, and we are considering the quality aspect also, and we are moving towards, and we are achieving rather SCI citations and SCI cited journal as well as the Scoopus Index journals papers by the faculty and the students. Further, we have got MOUs with the industry, and we have started recently the adjunct faculty concept to fill the gap of industry and institute. These adjunct faculty are from the experts from industry as well as from the academia. And of course, the placement, the last thing, which is the most important thing. And we have been creating milestone and achieving milestone in that as well. So the maximum package had been 35 lakhs in the last few years, and many of the students have got Amazon, and that is 90 lakhs offer. And I would like to mention over here that we have got average package hike consistently year by year. Thank you all for this. At the end, on the behalf of ADGIM family, I just want to commit again that ADGIM, we are going to take ADGIM to the new heights, definitely to the global level. And number one, as suggested and recommended by and blessed by Chairperson Ma'am, with as per the vision and the blessings of Chairman Sir and visionary and valuable guidance of Honorable Chairperson Ma'am, Honorable President Sir and Honorable Vice President Ma'am. And at the end, I would like to congratulate the organizing team. This has been really a good effort. Because of your efforts and zeal, this particular thing has been very successful. A big applause for the team. And, thank you so much. As ma'am said, long way to go, and we are bound to become #1 globally. Thank you so much. Have a nice and wonderful life ahead. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Moving on, now I would like to invite on stage Advisor, BBD Group of Education, respected Professor A.K. Mitra, sir.
मेरे मित्रों, इस संस्थान के समस्त संकाय सदस्य, निदेशक महोदय, सीईओ और मेरे गुरु श्री विजय धीर जी, आज मैं इस अवसर पर आपके सामने अपने अनुभव और विचार प्रकट करना चाहता हूं। इस मौके के लिए मैं अपने ऑनरेबल चेयरपर्सन डॉक्टर अलका दास जी, प्रेसिडेंट BBDES श्री विलास सागर जी और वाइस प्रेसिडेंट सोनाक्षी दास जी का हार्दिक धन्यवाद देता हूं कि उन्होंने मुझे ये अवसर प्रदान किया। आज हमारे फाउंडर चेयरमैन डॉक्टर अखिलेश दास गुप्ता जी की 61वीं जयंती है। डॉक्टर अखिलेश दास जी हम सब की प्रेरणा स्रोत रहे। वो सिर्फ एक एजुकेशनिस्ट नहीं थे, वो एक अभूतपूर्व प्रतिभा के स्वामी थे। उनका व्यक्तित्व अभूतपूर्व था। वो उनका व्यक्तित्व मानवता के से धनी, दूरदर्शिता से धनी एक अभूतपूर्व व्यक्तित्व था। मैं अभी उनकी एक स्पीच सुन रहा था, आप लोगों ने भी सुनी होगी, जो उन्होंने इस कॉलेज के प्रांगण में एनुअल डे पे दी थी। आपने अपने दिल से एहसास किया होगा कि उनका मानवता में कितना विश्वास था। मुझे उनके साथ विगत 37 से 38 साल तक रहने, सानिध्य प्राप्त करने का, स्नेह प्राप्त करने का शुभ अवसर इस जीवन में प्राप्त हुआ। मैं इसको अपना भाग्य समझता हूं। मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा कि ये जो स्पीच हमारे फाउंडर चेयरमैन साहब ने पढ़ी, जिसका वीडियो आपने देखा, उसमें जो कविता के शब्द थे वो उनके दिल की आवाज थी। डॉक्टर अखिलेश दास जी के बारे में जितना कहा जाए उतना कम है। और मैं तो बहुत ही एक छोटा सा आदमी हूं। मैं यही कहूंगा कि उनको, उनके बारे में कुछ कहना सूरज को दिया दिखाने के बराबर है। इसके बावजूद भी मैं ये जरूर आप लोगों से अपने अनुभव शेयर करना चाहूंगा कि 99 में उन्होंने मुझे ये अवसर प्रदान किया कि लखनऊ स्थित बाबू बनारसी दास नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी एंड मैनेजमेंट में निदेशक के तौर पर कार्य करने का मौका दिया। 99 में, दिसंबर 99। आज इस परिवार का स्नेह लगभग 21 साल से प्राप्त हो रहा है, जिसके लिए मैं और मेरा परिवार हमेशा ऋणी रहेगा। 2010 में हमारे तत्कालीन चेयरमैन महोदय ने मुझे दिल्ली बुलाया और यहां का सीईओ का दायित्व संभालने के लिए आदेशित किया। 2011 तक मैं यहां इस पद पे कार्यरत था। उसके बाद उन्होंने मुझे अपने पास, अपने साथ बुला लिया और ये वो समय था जब मेरे जैसे एक सामान्य प्रोफेसर को वो अवसर प्राप्त हुआ कि मैं एक अद्भुत प्रतिभा वाले व्यक्ति के साथ मुझे कुछ सीखने को प्राप्त हुआ, सीखने का मौका प्राप्त हुआ। आज मैं जो भी हूं वैचारिक शक्ति से वो डॉक्टर अखिलेश दास जी की देन है। प्रोफेसर तो हजारों आपको मिल जाएंगे, लेकिन डॉक्टर अखिलेश दास जी जैसा स्नेही, मार्गदर्शक चेयरमैन हम सबको ही प्राप्त हुआ है। इतना मैं जरूर कहना चाहूंगा। शिक्षा के क्षेत्र के अतिरिक्त समाज के विभिन्न सेगमेंट्स में भी डॉक्टर अखिलेश दास जी ने अभूतपूर्व योगदान प्रदान किया है। चाहे वो भारतीय राजनीति के क्षेत्र में हो, 18 वर्ष राज्यसभा के सदस्य के रूप में देश की सेवा की हो, केंद्रीय मंत्री के रूप में देश में विकास की शुरुआत की हो अपने नए ढंग से, इसके अलावा he himself was a great sports person. Sports was his passion, and especially the badminton. He was not only the national champion, but also represented the country at the international level. Thereafter, you know, in 2011, he was elevated as the president of Badminton Association of India. And thereafter, in 2012 only, he took the charge of Vice President of Badminton Asia Confederation. And in 2013, 3 consecutive years, in 2013 he became Executive Council member of Badminton World Federation. He was a true game changer of badminton in India. For the first time in the world, he visualized and manifested his vision by organizing Premier Badminton League, the highest prize money league not only in the country but in the world, amounting to around 6 crore Indian rupees, wherein all top ranking badminton players from different countries took part. And that league has a catalytic effect on the young generation who are seeing their career in badminton, young players and even the established players. As a result of which, after Prakash Padukone, he won All England Championship in probably 1983. Thereafter, our present chief coach, but in his tenure, Saina Nehwal become world number 1. PV Sindhu rise to the top 10 players of the world. Shrikant, world number 1. You know, it is very difficult if you are going through the various news of badminton. It's very difficult having a competition from China, from Japan, from Indonesia and Malaysia. ये सब कैसे हुआ? मुझे ये अवसर प्राप्त हुआ उनके साथ बैडमिंटन को भी देखने का 2011 से 2017 तक 8 साल. Later on as the Associate Vice President of Badminton Association of India also, and at present also as a Secretary of Delhi Badminton. ये उनका विजन था, ये उनकी दूरदर्शिता थी, ये उनकी लगन थी, ये उनका मार्गदर्शन था, जो 5, 6, 7 साल के अवधि में ही, पीरियड में ही इंडियन बैडमिंटन अपनी हाइट पर पहुंचा. इसके अलावा, स्पोर्ट्स के अलावा डॉक्टर अखिलेश दास जी एजुकेशनिस्ट थे. ही वाज प्रोफेसर, कंसल्टेंट, इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट, बिल्डर और सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट समाजसेवी. आज आप किसी से भी पूछ लीजिए, हर आदमी ये उनको जानता होगा या उनके सानिध्य में कभी भी आया होगा, वो यही कहेगा कि उन्होंने समाज के लिए बिना किसी भेदभाव के जो सेवा की, वो दुर्लभ व्यक्ति वाला ही कर सकता है। मैं ज्यादा कुछ नहीं कहूंगा, फिर भी ये मेरे दिल के उद्गार है जिनको मैं रोक नहीं सकता। इस अवसर पे मैं अपने छात्रों को बधाई देना चाहूंगा जिन्होंने उनके लक्ष्य को साकार किया और करते रहेंगे, चाहे वो विश्वविद्यालय में गोल्ड मेडल या बेस्ट रिजल्ट या बेस्ट प्लेसमेंट या शिक्षा के अलावा और कैरिकुलर एक्टिविटीज में भी आईपी यूनिवर्सिटी के लेवल पर इतना अच्छा प्रदर्शन किया है, कर रहे हैं और करते रहेंगे। इसका श्रेय सिर्फ हमारे विद्यार्थियों को ही नहीं जाता है, इसका श्रेय हमारे संकाय सदस्यों को भी जाता है, हमारे निदेशक महोदय को भी जाता है, जिनके निर्देशन में ये सब संभावित हो रहा है। डॉक्टर अखिलेश दास जी का एक विजन था, उन्होंने कहा था मेरा हर बच्चा कहेगा he will feel proud to be the student of our group, our college, our institution। शायद उनके पीछे, इस बात के पीछे उनकी ये भावना थी, उनका ये विश्वास था कि हमारी संस्थाएं प्रत्येक विद्यार्थी को एक होलिस्टिक पर्सनैलिटी डेवलपमेंट की अपॉर्चुनिटी देगा और देता रहेगा। और इस चीज को आप लोगों ने चरितार्थ करके दिखाया है। मैं ये समझता हूं कि हमारी ऑनरेबल चेयरपर्सन श्रीमती अलका दास जी, प्रेसिडेंट श्री युवराज सागर जी और वाइस प्रेसिडेंट सोनाक्षी दास जी के नेतृत्व में डॉक्टर अखिलेश दास जी की लीगेसी और अधिक उच्च ऊंचाइयों तक पहुंचेगी, ये मैं समझता हूं। मैं आपका आह्वान करता हूं इस अवसर पे कि हम सब मिलकर पुनः एक संकल्प लें कि हम डॉक्टर अखिलेश दास जी की विजन, उनकी सोच, उनके लक्ष्य को साकार करके दिखाएं। इसी संकल्प के साथ मैं आप सबको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूं। नमस्कार।
Thank you so much, sir. That was truly very inspiring. And now, as we all know, that dance has no barriers. It is something that everyone can feel, everyone can understand, and definitely everyone can enjoy. So next up, we have a dynamic performance by Team InSync. Please give them a big, big round of applause.
We would like to request respected CEO sir and esteemed director sir to kindly come up on the stage and present the awards. Can we have a huge round of applause, everyone? For the Babu Banarasi Das Awards of the batch 2014 to 2018, we have HOD CSE Dr. Anupam Kumar Sharma sir. So, the Babu Banarasi Das Award goes to Ms. Ambika Arora, BTech in CSE. Can we have a huge round of applause? Let's keep the applause going. Now, and the award goes to Ms. Shivani Singhal, B.Tech in Electronics and Communication Engineering. And now, I would like to invite on stage the HOD of Electrical and Electronics Department, Mr. Ajit Sharma sir. And the award goes to Ms. Vinita Pandey, B.Tech in Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Let's give her a huge round of applause once again. Thank you, Vinita. So these were the award bearers for the 2014 to 2018 batch. Now, for the 2015 to 2019 batch, firstly I would like to invite HOD Civil Engineering Department, Ms. Manita Kaur. And the award goes to Mr. Shikhal Mittal of B.Tech in Civil Engineering. Now, I would like to invite the HOD of Electrical and Electronics Department, Mr. Ajit Sharma sir, once again. And the award goes to Ms. Anubhuti Sankarwal, B.Tech in Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Let's accompany her way to the stage with a big round of applause. Now, I would like to invite the HOD of CSE Department, Dr. Anupam Kumar Sharma sir. And the award goes to Ms. Diksha Sethi, B.Tech in CSE Department. Let's keep the applause going. Das Gupta Student of the Year Award. Firstly, I would like to invite the HOD of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Dr. Rajiv Sharma sir. And now, the Dr. Akhilesh Das Gupta Student of the Year Award for BTech goes to Ms. Shagun Sabu, BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering, batch 2017 to 2021. Let's have a huge round of applause for our parents also. And now, the Dr. Akhilesh Das Gupta Student of the Year Award for MBA goes to Joel Tom Sakaria, MBA Department, batch 2018 to 2020. I would also like to request the HOD MBA Department, Dr. Vijaya Gandarna, to please accompany on this stage. Let's keep the applause going, guys. Here comes the gold medal. Let's shake and this away. Thank you, Joel. Thank you so much, sir.
I just want to show my gratitude on behalf of ADJ and my family. I just want to show my gratitude on behalf of ADJ and family and BBD Growth to all the respected parents. Big round of applause for these people. Thank you so much for having faith in us. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Let's have a huge round of applause.
And as we progress through the last segment of today's event, I would like to expand my deepest gratitude and gratefulness to all of you for being with us today. I would also like to express my gratitude to our respected chairman, Ma'am Mrs. Alka Das Gupta, and our Honorable President Sir Shri Virat Sagar Das Gupta. A special thanks to our much revered CEO Sir Shri S.N. Garg for being with us in spite of his busy calendar. I would also like to thank our much respected Director Sir Professor Dr. Sanjay Kumar. An honest thank you to our respected Director Coordination Shri Vijay Dheer Sir and Professor A.K. Mitra Sir. A sincere thank you to our Senior Deputy Director Sir Shri Dilip Singh. And a heartfelt thank you to our valued Principal Ma'am, Professor Dr. Yamini S. It would be incomplete if I don't extend my thanks to our distinguished HODs and all the faculty members. And last but not the least, I would also like to extend my humble appreciation to all the coordinators and organizing team. Without you, this event would not have been possible. Thank you very much.
Dear friends, in the last, I would like to congratulate these two for beautifully conducting this program and successfully